There is one fictional street corner that practically shaped childhood for generations. Today, we are taking a trip down memory lane. Welcome back to the workshop. For this Remaster Wednesday, we are laser engraving the most famous brownstone in television history. 123 Sesame Street. I'm letting the laser map out the structural framework first, ensuring the brickwork and windows frame our characters perfectly. To keep the commenters happy, let's talk focal setup. When you are burning a piece with this many distinct characters close together, your power and depth settings have to be perfectly calibrated so the finer features, like Oscar's fur or the details on his trash can, don't wash out. Look at how cleanly Big Bird and Cookie Monster pop off the wood grain. Getting that deep, sharp contrast on the tiny iconic street sign up in the corner really pulls the whole nostalgic scene together. And there it is, the whole neighborhood brought to life on a custom wooden coaster. A perfect piece of childhood nostalgia. Make sure to head to the comments to answer today's trivia quiz. Leave your rating and subscribe. Work safe, and I'll see you on the next burn.